Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all will be fine and I'm good. And today I am here to share some products of Said Ghani which I recently bought. And right now I have my facial kit in front of me, and today I'm gonna share that what kind of products we are using is a complete facial. And keep in mind that I'm not going to share any bleaching kind of stuff, as I don't prefer or I don't like to do bleach. Sometime maybe after 6 years or 7 years I use bleach for the for after um, so much delay. I don't recommend bleaching kind of things for the facial, right? So I try to go for the natural solutions for my skin. Like right now I have Said Ghani's complete facial kit, and it has 6 products. First of all, I will tell you that what kind of product and which product is used for the first time, and then step by step second, third, fourth and fifth. I have written the time and the step so I can remember the things. Okay, so first of all we have face cleanser, and it you can use it for daily cleansing, but it is creamy form, so it is not suitable for oily skin. So it is good for dry and combination skin, but still I have oily skin, but I am using this, right? So the after face cleanser we have to use skin whitening paste for instant massage. For you have to massage your skin, your face and neck for 5 minutes at least. First step will take 10 minutes and second step will take 5 minutes. And then we have scrubbing, face and body scrub. You can use it on your body, hands, feet as well. So scrubbing will take 5 minutes. It is good apricot scrub, and it is very good fragrance as well. These are 3 steps, and for the fourth step we have skin polish. It is whitening skin polish, and again it will bring a natural glow by removing impurities and dirtiness from the face. So it is very good to polish your skin. You can use only this as well. Maybe you can reduce the products from this facial kit, or you can have any 1 or 2 products on daily basis, as these are the natural products, so there will not be any problem with that, with the more frequent use. This is the fourth, not the fourth but fifth step. After fourth step, it will take skin polish will take 5 minutes, and then step number 5, face and body gel. You have to apply it for 10 minutes and you have to wait, and then you have to wipe out this, and where you can wipe it out, or you can just rinse your face, whatever you like. By the way, it is not oily, so just wiping out and going for the sixth and last option will be fine. After 10 minutes you have to apply the mud mask. It will take 20 minutes. I like to keep masks for 15 to 20 minutes, so it is suitable for all skin types, but especially it has good properties for the oily skin, because mud mask, yani in Urdu we say multani mitti or matti mask. So it is very good for oily skin, and it is in the paste form, so you don't have to mix it with the water or rose water or any kind of yogurt or any other product. It is already a paste, so it is very good to go. And the complete procedure of facial will take 50 minutes, or around 50 minutes, and you can use it for maybe at least 35 minutes, but 50 minutes are good enough, so you can relax while applying mask and rose gel, and you have very good time. If you have good time to relax, you can. But I use it all the process. I give all the process only 30 minutes or 35 minutes. I think that's enough. So I hope guys you like this video, you like this information. If you want to ask any question you can ask, and please like and subscribe to my channel, so I will be motivated to make more and more videos with so many other products which I have. And I have planned to make reviews of different products, different companies, cosmetics, and so many other stuff. So keep watching and please like and share this. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.